Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I've got nail mail to share with you, and I've been waiting for this one since last month. Can you guess what it is? Let's open it together and see what's inside. It's nail mail from la Cosedora. Oh wow. This is how they package the nail polish. I'm surprised it did not break. Thank goodness it didn't. Let's open it up real quick. Oh, look how beautiful. It's her stamping polish. It's the gray shade and it's called Pegasus. I love her new packaging. It's so pretty. And here is the scraper card from the StampingVersary 4 bundle that she had. So the bundle was you purchase 2 stamping plates, whatever plates you want, and you would get the StampingVersary 4 plate. This is a limited edition that's only available once a year during her StampingVersary. You won't be able to get this specific one until next year when she does her StampingVersary event again. But I shared the information with you guys last month so that you could purchase it if you were interested in it. Should I save this one for last? No, I can't. I have to open it now. Wow, here it is. I can't believe it. I finally have it in my hands. I've been waiting for this. This year she did it a little bit different. She did a pre-order, so we had to wait a little bit longer. Things are a little bit different now, and each of these plates has a special number on the back, and this is the number that I got, 681. Oh my goodness. That is so awesome. So what happens is when you buy it during the event, your stamping plate has a personalized number on it. It's unique to you. And if you buy it the following year, so next year, let's say you didn't get this one and you want to get it next year, then it's just going to say reheated from H and it won't have a special number. So that's another reason to get it during the sale so that yours has a special collector's number on it. I don't think you'll be able to get the scraper card. You only get the scraper card if you purchase it during the event. There are so many images on this plate. Look at this. She's done an amazing job once again trying to get as many images into one plate so we can have a lot to choose from. She has 4 full nail images, these 4, and look at this beautiful bubble design. I'm so excited to try it. She also has these negative space images here, and I love that she includes so many options for us to choose from and to get creative with our nail designs. So I'm gonna put this down and let you guys, I guess if you wanna take a closer look at all the images, you can just pause the screen now and take a look at each individual image. And now these are the other items that I purchased. To be honest, I thought I had only ordered 2 plates, like the bundle was 2 plates and you get the StampingVersary free. So I don't remember what I ordered. Let's open it together and rediscover what I ordered. Oh yes, I've been wanting this plate. This one is called Space Oddity and they had been out of stock for a while. Look at all the beautiful images. Wow, this is so amazing. I finally have it. So cute. And the art on the back, how beautiful. Next up, oh, Liga Nailista. It was a nail group that they had on Instagram. I think they would do nail challenges and stuff like that. Bogota, Colombia. So it has different places in Colombia. The little dancing unicorn. And I love that she has this layering image on here too. And look at this cute little robot. I love it. You get full nail images. These in the center that are just like lined, and then individual images. And then the last plate is a surprise because I don't remember. Oh yes, Free Will. Yeah, this is another one of her older plates. Beautiful design on the back. See, there's no artwork, it's just plain, but I mean it's beautiful, but it doesn't have like a design on it. This one has different images that were submitted by these nail artists. I guess they got together and they submitted ideas and designs to be included in this plate, which is really nice. Again, we have the same idea, full nail images on the top, the striped images in the center or the long ones, and then we have individual images on the bottom section. I have so many to choose from now. I'm gonna have to start working on lots of nail designs. Let's go ahead and swatch all the images on this plate. I'm gonna use regular nail polish. This one is from Sally Hansen and it's called Jealous Boyfriend. If you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up to let me know. Oh, I took too long. I took too long so the polish dried up on the stamper. But it was a perfect pickup. Let's do it again. As you can see, these images stamp beautifully. Even with regular nail polish, you can see how beautiful the images come out, and I really love them. They have so many options here on this plate. Let's do the top half of the plate now using a red polish. I'm going to use this one called Can't Beat Royalty, and this one is also from Sally Hansen. I took too long to put this one on the paper and it dried on the stamper, so I'll do that one again. This section is really nice that she set it up so that it's a layered image, and so you can do the background whatever color and then the outer edge of the smiley face and then the smiley face in the center. Beautiful, I love it. This is what happens every time I take too long to stamp it onto the paper. And here we have a closer look at all the beautiful images on this plate. They stamp beautifully, they come out really clear, and I love the variety that they included in this plate, so many to choose from. Remember to check the description box of my video where I'll share the link to H. La Cosedora's website, and I'll also share my discount code JENNY10, which you can use to save money on your purchase at hlacosedora.com. Before I go, I wanted to remind you guys that these stamping plates are acrylic stamping plates, and they recommend that you clean them with non-acetone nail polish remover to take care of them and make sure that they last as long as possible. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!